Welcome to my session. My name is Gianluca De Bonis, and I am the CEO and CTO of Enable Development and the product owner and co-founder of Fidelius Online. In this session, I will show you how to send WhatsApp and SMS from Power Builder applications. There are three sections in this presentation, plus the demo session: use cases, how to send messages, and Fidelius ISV. A few words about myself. I am a Power Builder expert, computer scientist, Scrum expert, Agile project manager. My current projects are Scrum Consulting and Coaching Mission at the well-known CTS event team. Fidelius, a solution for sending messages like WhatsApp and SMS from Power Builder applications. This presentation is based on this system. The PB Open Migration Program for helping companies migrating PB applications to a modern architecture. The localization solution Enable Multilingual, that is market leader. Company profile. Enable Development, Appian consulting partner, helps companies to enhance the productivity and the quality of their development by providing consulting, training, mentoring, and software development services, including managed outsourcing. With more than 150 customers all over the world, Enable Development organizes a network of consultants, mostly freelancers, and provides development services on projects it manages directly, backed by a team of about 400 developers with all technologies, including Power Builder. The company specializes in Power Builder, C Sharp, DBMS, PB modernization, Scrum and Agility, development tools, localization, agile project management, strategic IT consulting, Power Builder centered migration to C Sharp, PB Open. We will start with use cases: sending messages, implementing chat, and info page. Sending messages is a very important use case for modern companies. We have cases like sending messages from our cloud services or applications, or sending an authentication or OTP message, or allowing users to send messages from our application. Messages are perceived with much higher priority than emails. Another use case is implementing chat. This allows the interaction with the users. These cases are like implementing autoresponder text, or automas that can interact with users, or implementing a free text chat when the customer wants to follow up a received message, when the customer wants to initiate a chat. Chat windows can be implemented easily in the application. Interacting via chat shortens the request and clarification cycles with the customer. Another use case is info page. An info page is a custom designed page that allows interaction and it is linked to the message. The info page is invoked from the link in the message and has access to all the message data, for example, doctor name, appointment time, and so on. The user can interact with the info page and the message records the user's interaction, for example, confirm or cancel or reschedule. The info page can also implement a chat with the user. Info page offer a guided reaction to the message, while offering meaningful info that are too long to be perceived in the message. Let's see now how to send messages. We will talk about SMS and WhatsApp. SMS are practical and relatively cheap. However, they are increasingly regulated. There are many technical limitations such as length, lack of reply management, and this depends on the provider sending messages. Also, many providers require a bulk purchase. SMS are open to fraud, like SMS pumping and toll fraud, and to scam. Their architecture makes impossible to grant delivery. Carriers can implement spam detection, inappropriate message text, and fine suspend the sender of such messages. Sender regulations are in place according to the country. For example, the number type, that can be short, long, or alpha, the message sending speed limit, for example, 1 per second, and the number registration. So all these regulations change according to the country. Bottom line, sending SMS requires significant experience about regulations and possibilities. Let's now talk about WhatsApp. Thought for replacing the SMS, WhatsApp solves most of its technical problems. Messages are sent through the API and not through the phone. There is read receipt and reply management. Message templates that are submitted by the sender and approved by WhatsApp protect against spam. WhatsApp requires an onboarding procedure for the ISV and for each sender. Marketing templates are forbidden, even though there are exceptions. Let me now show you a system to send messages in a very simple way, hiding all the complexity from developers. We are talking about Fidelius ISV. We talk about the architecture, the unified multi-channel API, simplified ready-to-use Power Builder library, and a Power Client application. Fidelius ISV is a solution for implementing advanced messaging in ISV's applications and services. Created with Power Builder and Snap Develop, it includes a unified multi-channel API, so a single API regardless the channel and the provider. A ready-to-use Power Builder library for Power Builder applications. An info page system. A C#.NET Core task-based asynchronous messaging service with messaging queue. A Power Client control panel. Can be cloud or on-premises. The architecture is based on Azure Cloud SQL Server database, C# messaging service ported for the Power Builder code, extensively using the .NET Data Store. Monitoring solutions accessible through a private API. RESTful API created in Snap Develop extensively using the .NET Data Store. And a control panel application implemented as a Power Client. The unified multi-channel API has endpoints for ISV applications and for InfoPage. The endpoint for ISV applications allow to post a message, get details on a message, get status updates on messages sent, post a chat message and get new chat messages, allocate and check credits of the ISV and of its customers. The endpoint for InfoPage allows to set the status of a message, confirm, cancel, reschedule, and get the info related to a message, sender, text, date, time, status, and so on. I will show the Swagger documentation in the demo session. Fidelius has a ready-to-use Power Builder library. Follows the pragmatic approach of Power Builder. You just set the API keys and call directly the methods for sending a message, getting info on the message status and user interaction from InfoPage, sending and receiving chat messages, allocate credits to customers, and getting credit info. Library details in the demo session. Finally, the Power Client Control Panel application. It allows ISVs to monitor credits and customers' behavior. It allows to register new customers and allocate credits. It's automatically updated. Yes, it's a desktop cloud application. Control panel details in the demo session.